In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Adidas promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your web browser, then go to google.com and in the search box enter Adidas promo code. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different sites with promo codes. You can open up any of that sites, and here, as you can see, you got 51 offers here, so actually 51 promo codes, and there you can scroll down to see them all, but usually the best offers are on the first position. And now here you can see that, for example, that promo code gives you up to 60% off for sale items. You can hit right there on the promo code to move to adidas.com, and now you can make their purchases. And once you are ready to pay money, just don't forget to enter your promo code and then double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason the promo code doesn't work, you can always go back on the website on that or some another, and here you can try to use another promo code from that list. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.